Hey folks, today is October the 22nd. It's currently 6:24 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Agimat EA week number 30 live testing update. If you guys will recall, last week we did 1.31%, and the week before that we did 1.36%. I have been monitoring things throughout the week, and I definitely know we didn't come close to these levels here. I haven't checked it for this afternoon since I got in from work, so we can check that now together here. But this week, we did get a bit of drawdown here. And you can see overall, we're at 52.36%. And our updated demo account that's still running is at 60.28%. Equity curve is still looking as beautiful as ever. All right, let's go ahead now and jump in here and see how we did for the week. All right, so this week we got 0.78%. Definitely not over that 1% mark, but as I've stated before, anything around, just below, just above that 1% mark is good for me. And beyond that, anything in the green is definitely good for me. Some of you guys have been in situations like myself where EAs have blown up accounts in the past. So every week that I see green, I'm thankful for it and I'm happy. I don't complain. Definitely don't complain about anything in the green. All right, so as you guys can see, we definitely do have some drawdown. Agimat has started handling that, as you guys can see here. So it is moving in the right direction. We'll take a look at that after we jump into the VPS as always. Let's go ahead and scroll down here, see what we're up for the month of October. All right, so as we can see here at present, we're up 3.12%, and we still have 1 week to go. So if we can get over 1%, or at least 0.90%, we'll be able to finish out the month of October with an average of 1% for about 4% for the month of October. So we'll just have to be patient and see how October ends. All right, let's go ahead now. And before we take a look at your guys' results, I want to jump into the VPS. And of course, we'll take a look at the other MyFX book accounts we have here. But as always, let's check out the news for the week, see what we had to contend with here. All right, so it looks like Monday, not much there. Tuesday, not much there. Wednesday, we had Canadian CPI, GBP CPI. And Thursday, we did not have much of anything. Actually, we had unemployment claims and Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. And on Friday, let's see here, we had Euro German Flash Manufacturing PMI here. All right, so we had a few news releases, not a lot though. All right, let's go ahead now and jump into the VPS, take a look and see what's happened this week. So as you guys can see, we definitely do have a bit of drawdown going into the weekend. So I'm assuming a lot of you guys do as well here. Our $6,275 account now has $631 in drawdown going into the weekend. So with that being said, let's go ahead and check account history. And if you're new to Agimat, definitely do not come here and start closing out things or taking trades in different directions and things of that nature. Just let the EA do exactly what it is programmed to do. We've been in this situation a great many times before, and for me, it's entertainment at this point to watch it continue to bounce back the way it's done, 6-7 times in the past here. All right, let's go ahead now and take a look. Let me see, what was the first day of the week? First day of the week was the 18th. So it looks like we got started around right here. All right, so once again, not a whole lot of large wins here. Let's see here, a $3 trade. So we started taking, looks like Euro USD trades, GBP NZD trades, and USD CAD. Okay, so we've got some of the new ones that we recently added are definitely adding to our overall profitability here. We'll take a look in a moment and see how they're actually performing. But this week we had lots of small trades, lots of $3 trades. And then a few above, we got, what's that, the $7.31, $8.60, and $8.88. So just a few above that $3 mark. Every week is not going to be, a blockbuster week. So we have to expect that some weeks are going to be a bit slower. Some weeks are going to give us more drawdown than others. You know, the market is not just going to consistently go up or consistently go down. So we just have to be patient with it and keep on watching. All right, I want to take a quick peek back here and actually see how our currency pairs are doing. Let's hit summary here. All right, so as we can see, USD CAD has taken, 10 trades at this point, has a 90% win rate, so that's always a good thing. And we got GBP NZD has taken 7 long trades, 20 short trades for an overall total of 27, and it's at 89% win rate. And Euro USD, the last one that we recently added, has taken 6 long trades, 4 short trades for a total of 10, and at present it has a 90% win rate. All right, so yeah, everything is definitely looking good overall here. What is this? AUD USD, long trades 74, short trades 59, 133 trades, overall win rate of 74%. So it looks like right now AUD USD is our worst performing pair, but it is still giving us profit. Where's that here? Overall profit of $407.81. So it is actually just behind GBP USD. So definitely not looking at removing it anytime soon here. Actually, now that I think about it, would make a difference, or it would make a difference, but we added 3 pairs. I'm sitting here thinking that we added 2 pairs recently. We added Euro USD first, and then these 2 came after that. So yeah, these obviously would be the ones with the lower percentage in total profits, and also basically because they've been trading longer. In time, these will most likely come down a bit after we get up to, you know, over 100 trades in total. But yeah, at present, everything looks good. All right, anyway, just rambling on there. Let's go ahead now and take a quick peek here at some of the other MyFX book accounts and see how some of you guys did this week. We'll also check out FX Blue, those 2 accounts, and see how they performed this week. All right, so like I said, guys, this week was definitely a week of drawdown. And let's see here, 1.93%. Definitely did good this week. And let's check that second account. All right, so 0.38%. And let me see here. I think that was Kelvin's account. Let me make sure of that. Yep, 0.38%. So like I said, definitely did get a bit of a drawdown this week here. But Agimat, as always, and this isn't even my account, you guys can see it's happened here, it's happened here, here, here. I mean, this is pretty consistent. As the market changes, Agimat adjusts and does what it's supposed to do. It manages our drawdown, gets us out typically with a profit, and I have no reason to believe that it won't do that again this time. So as I stated, every week is not going to be a superstar week. So we'll just be patient, and however long it needs to unwind this drawdown, we'll continue to watch it and let it do its thing here. All right. Next, let's go ahead and take a look at these FX Blue accounts from Vincent. We can take a look here and see. All right, and I believe it's up here somewhere. Click on stats and then symbol. All right, so we can take a look at, I believe it's Euro NZD. And let's see here. So overall, it's at a 71% win rate. Where's here it is, gross profit 1,120, total trades of 261. So 71% winners, 261 trades here. 261. All right, so closest comparison to that would be my GBP USD, and you can see we're at 69% win rate with 219 trades. And so he's actually doing a bit better than us with Euro NZD in comparison. So this has been running, I'm guessing, a bit longer here. So 261 trades, 71% win rate, net profit of $468. So this is definitely one we're going to have to keep an eye on. All right, let's come over here and click on stats here and symbols. All right, Euro AUD, we can see how that one is done. And I believe Euro AUD is one that we don't trade, that we could consider adding in the future. So Euro AUD, let's see here, 65 trades. So this must be a newer account. Net profit $190, win rate 77%. So yeah, some of these different currency pairs definitely look to be doing at least as well as some of the ones recommended by the vendor, if not better. All right, now let's go ahead and jump over here. Take a look. We'll refresh the page here. All right, let's see if we have anything here. All right, so this week we only got 5 comments. So let's see how everybody's doing. All right, thanks, Larry. Looks like too many DD now and on my accounts, 30 to 60%. Drawdown not only on minor, but recommended major pairs as well. I haven't intervened yet. Recently, when positions opened above a month with large drawdown, closing will be in loss mostly. Swap 8 all profits. All right, so thank you for definitely, Vincent, letting us know what's going on there. We'll keep an eye on it. All right, James, this week I end up with 3.47%. However, it went to some drawdown, 40%. I don't want to blow up accounts, so I had to manually close all my positions. That's unfortunate. It was my mistake too. I run 3 pairs on 1,000 USD account. I believe 1 pair per 1,000 is reasonable. Hey James, thanks for posting an update. I know the vendor says it's okay to run 3 pairs on a 1K account, but I found it safer to do 1 pair per 1K. So I definitely agree with what you said here. All right, YouTube is acting up again, deleting my comments as soon as I post them. I'll keep trying to find a way to post my full comment, but the short version is my US account is at 0.93% and LQDFX is at 2.7%. So LQDFX is definitely the place to be. All right, like I said, guys, definitely last couple weeks have added some drawdown to our accounts. And one other thing that I've noted is, I know previously I was trying to figure out why I wasn't starting out with higher lot sizes. We tend to start out with 0.01, but to be honest with you guys, I'm probably not going to stress that too much. You know, 0.01 lot size is good. If it switches over to 0.02 at 10,000 or 12,000 after the account gets significantly larger, you know, it'll just be a happy surprise. But at this point right now, starting out at 0.01, I'm just gonna be okay with it. And I did find out that there are some settings you can switch up so that it'll start things out with a 0.02 lot size. But I'm gonna leave things the way they are. Just let it continue to run the way it's been doing, and yep, we'll see what next week brings us. All right, so as always, if you guys have any questions whatsoever on the Agimat EA, make sure you send them to me. And also, if you guys want to, you can post here, whether it be bad or good. You know, you can post in the comments section. You guys can see here, definitely not the best of information here, but I want you guys to see the truth of what's going on with this EA always, okay? And if you guys want to test it out for yourself, make sure you guys use the link below to help support the channel. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see what happens next week with Agimat. Take care, folks.